In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Notion. This integration can help streamline your workflow and ensure that the information you need is always at your fingertips. Whether you're looking to synchronize tasks or just make sure both apps are communicating effectively, we've got you covered. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to your Monday.com dashboard. This is your main hub, where all your projects and tasks are neatly organized. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Marketplace tab. This is like your magic portal to the many apps and integrations that can enhance your Monday.com experience. Click on the Marketplace tab, and you should see a search bar. Go ahead and type in Notion. This search will help you locate the integration we're looking to set up. It's crucial to make sure you're selecting the right app here, as there might be several options with similar names. Once you see the Notion app in the list of results, click on it to proceed. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to a new window. This might take a moment to load, so just give it a second. This new page will present you with an option to use the app. You'll want to click on the Use App button. This action will confirm your interest in adding the Notion integration to your Monday.com account. After that, the next step is to choose a workspace and a board where you'd like the integration to be applied. Workspaces in Monday.com are like your virtual file cabinets, housing various projects and boards. Think of a board as a specific project or task list that needs to sync with Notion. Selecting the right workspace and board is crucial, as it determines where the data will flow once the integration is live. Ensure that you carefully review your options, perhaps considering which project you most frequently update or monitor both in Monday.com and Notion. Once you've made your selection, click on Add App. By doing so, you're initiating the integration process. Behind the scenes, Monday.com and Notion will start communicating, setting up the pathways needed to exchange data effectively. This concludes our integration setup. Now, both platforms are connected, allowing you to seamlessly manage and transfer tasks between Monday.com and Notion. This integration should simplify your processes, allowing you to focus on your tasks without juggling multiple platforms independently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember, integrating tools effectively can save you time and help enhance productivity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy organizing!